Stealth car camping at a mechanic shop? Think we can get away with it? Let's find out. Goldie and I are going to try to stealth camp here at this tire repair shop. We had a blowout today on I-4 as we were heading to Tampa. So we're going to stick around here in this parking lot and try camping out. Hopefully we don't have any problems. Goldie, she looks like she's already out for the night. And it's only like 6 p.m. Oh, what's up with that? So we're going to hang out here. I don't know. Probably make a little dinner after a little bit. I'm going to watch a little TV. I need to work on editing some video. I just need to finish putting my window coverings up real quick. And they're just made out of cardboard that I cut just a little bit smaller. And if you notice here on the lip, I put duct tape. Use it as a flap. Holds it in to the window a whole lot better. Hopefully we don't have any problems. Don't think we will. Especially since the donut wheel is on the front. I think if there is somebody that drives through to maybe potentially kick somebody out, I don't think they will because that tire's on there. So hopefully we make it through the night. Before I go to bed tonight, I need to charge my fan because it's probably about, let's see, 60 degrees outside. It's fairly warm, and with the dog it heats up fairly quick. And the nice thing, I have this new power bank that a friend gave me, this Jackery. That thing is super duper handy. I'm so happy that I have it. Very, very convenient. I didn't realize how nice it would be to have an extra power bank with, but man, that is so handy. So I'm gonna let that fan charge for a little while, and then it'll be time for bed, won't it, Goldie? It'll be time for bed, baby. Oh, honey, I love you. It is time for bed. Lay the seat back a little bit, give Goldie a little more room. Hey, you want to move there a little bit there, Slim? Let me back here. Come on. All right. About like so, Goldie. Yeah. That'll work, won't it, Goldie? You bet. I can shut the light off. All right. I need to take my pants off, take them off. Once you shut the light off, go to bed. You don't need to see that. Shut that light off as well. We will see you in the morning. Well, we didn't get any knocks on the door last night. No knocks on the window. Nobody bothered us. This was a great spot to camp. As you can see, the window coverings are still up. Goldie's back there. We're just getting our morning started. I need to let her out. So let's let her out and kind of get our day going. It's about 4:30 in the morning right now. It's early, and we're still at the tire shop. Let's let the dog out. Come on. There we go. Good morning, Goldie. How are you this morning, honey? Did you sleep good? Good girl. Let Goldie out and she can go to the bathroom, do her thing, and then I can make some coffee. Gotta start the day with a fresh cup of coffee. Whoa, check out that bed head, huh? Pretty stylish hairdo. Just waiting for my coffee to brew. Ooh, I hear it. Look at that. Oh, that is so perfect. Love my coffee maker. Figured since we're waiting this morning, charge up the Jackery. Was at 60%. Let that charge for a little bit this morning. Coffee's almost ready. Mechanic shop is almost open. It's about 7:30 now. Look who's sleeping. Look who looks comfortable. Must be rough, huh? They should be opening up. They're over at Tire Kingdom in about half hour. We'll go in and see when we're going to be able to get the tire fixed this morning. But as I do that, I'm sitting here finishing up a video. Figured it was a perfect time to finish up a video since we're sitting here waiting. And Goldie is just so comfortable. All right. Our stealth car camping adventure at the mechanic shop as we sit and wait for a tire was a success. Nobody bothered us. I didn't think they would, especially with us having the spare tire, the donut on front. I didn't think they would, but hey, you never know, right? I think it's going to be time for Goldie and I to get out, go for a little walk. Since our appointment isn't for a little bit yet, I think about 2 hours before we get our appointment. So let's go take a walk. Goldie, do you want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Yeah? You want to go? All right, we'll go for a walk. The hot rod isn't quite the hot rod with the weenie wheel on. Classy. Let's go for a walk, Goldie. Come on. Well, that was a pretty good walk, wasn't it, Goldie? Probably thirsty now. Ready? Good girl. Getting that new tire put on. So happy about that. All right, we have our tire fixed. Nice. Had them rotate the tires. We're gonna be ready to roll. There we go. Yeah, we had them rotate it. We're gonna be ready. Are you ready to go, Goldie? Let's get out of here. That was our experience car camping at the tire shop, getting my tire fixed, and thankfully it's fixed and Goldie and I are gonna get back on the road. So that's where we're gonna leave you for this video. Thank you so much for joining Goldie and I. We greatly appreciate it. Till we see you next time. Peace out.